Okay.
Don't try to do the documentary. You're not documenting me.
I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch you doing like the weirdest stuff, and then I'm gonna mix it all together and make it like the time.
Like literally that hard.
Say it again.
The time. I think I might die now. If I die young, bury me.
We should make another video, Allie.
He's like,
Martin's all dancing.
Darkly. You got it.
That's funny. Stop.
Dad, ready? You gotta look at me, okay?
No, I can't look at you.
Look at me.
This is knocking.
New for Jane knocking.
No, this is not.
You gotta record your mom. Your mom's going freaking nuts, dude.
What was the fridge doing? Tell me what the fridge is doing.
Knocking.
It was knocking. Oh, I was like that. I was like,
No, Lily, if you listen, it's making a noise.
what noise is it making? Is it making a knocking noise? Is it making a squeaking noise? It's making.
You just did it.
It's making this
I'm
noise.
not gonna let it come in.
See? Oh, just did it again.
You know why I'm not gonna let it come in? Just been drinking Bud Light.
No. Nuh-uh. It's a she-wolf.
Again, I'm serious.
She-wolf's coming out of the closet.
She's coming out of the closet. What are you talking about?
And she's gonna find you when she does.
I'm dying.
That hurt!
All I saw was like
Ew. Disgusting.
I will sit here.
You're not like this.
I'm not.
I'm trying. Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like
I'm gonna be like, and you guys be like, You guys be like, and I'll be like, ha ha ha, and they'll be like, that's not fun then.